So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a RSP or a registered savings plan account here on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up here on the main screen, I want you to go to the top left and press on the three bars. Once you're on this screen, right beside settings, it says new account and it's kind of a green icon. Simply go ahead and press on that. Once you're on this page, it'll say how do you want to manage your investments. There is the self-directed option, or there is a Quest Wealth portfolio. So for this demonstration, I will select I want to invest by myself or the self-directed investing option. Then go to the bottom and press on the green button that says open self-directed accounts. Once you're here, just scroll down to where it says retirement savings plan or RSP. Press on that. Then go to the bottom and press on open up RSP accounts. Once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and go through the exact steps this way to finish finalizing your application to open up an RSP account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open up an RSP or a retirement savings plan here on the Questrade application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.